We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. Throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
It's a pinnacle code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pinnacle, never tell me killer code. Everybody coming from the hood, so not kidnapped. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a pinnacle.
We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there.
Coming with a ski max, bitch with a BB. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get, and we ain't fit, can't get in here. We getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere. The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline.
We're in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We're in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We're in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there.
This young T, young David, young Emma, young Thug, young Boy, young Bear, young Doll, young Nick, young Giz, young Hills. Pull up at your hall, young Mill, young Chill. I say catch him with a pitch him, learn from repetition. I got no mission, visit, so I question my intention.
We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there. We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We're in there.
We throwing money in the airline. We in there. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We in there.
MK with a Gucci bag.
This young T with a Gucci belt.
KD with a Gucci socks.
Young Emma, Gucci man.
Young Emma, Gucci man. We out here. We out here. Welcome to another Stock Sunday. It's Profit Sunday, actually. Profit Sunday. And I always say that all profits are made on the through preparation. Like no matter what, if you don't prepare, you're cooked. If you don't prepare, you're cooked. You're not going to trade as well. You're not going to be the best trader in the world. So, I don't want to waste your time. I'm going to hop right into it, man. It's going to be a great stream. Let's hop straight into it. But first, let's actually do this right quick. Let's look at the earnings hub. So this week we got, this week we got a lot of earnings coming up. No IPOs. So we got Fastenal. I don't know, never heard of that. But we got J&J, JP Morgan. We got Citibank, BlackRock, Wells Fargo, and Domino's, right? That's on Tuesday, actually. And then Wednesday, we got United Airlines after close. Then we got PLD. Let's see. We got this, this level. Broke. Then we got Charles Schwab, US Bank. So it's like a lot of bank earnings. And we have American Express. The American Express Sears pullback. The tariff war. So pretty much what we got for the month of, but for this week of the 13th through the 17th. As you can see, next week's gonna be more powerhouses. Coke, GM, Netflix is dropping earnings coming up. You got the Hilton, AT&T, T-Mobile. The next week's gonna be a powerhouse, but I feel like this week is also good. I know J&J is one of our it's on our trading list. Is it trading list? Yes, it is. It's on the trading list. It's all-time high. Are we at all-time highs? We are at all-time highs. Look at that. Let's go back to the daily. Yeah, we are at a all-time high. So just expect better news for J&J. Palantir. Low-key feeling like we should take a sell here. Let's see. Yeah. Price already came back underneath this level. Yo, what's up, Jacob? You doing, Jacob? Palantir. And then we have I love this. Thanks, bro. But now we have Citibank, which was on our trading list, but as you can see, price, I low-key was looking to sell here, but I don't know. I got distracted with work. What's up, Rivia? Tell me where y'all from. Drop where y'all from. Drop in y'all from. You're from the US, outside the US. Tell me what y'all from. Tell me where y'all from, but let me put on some. All right, I got that. Iowa, okay, that's what's up. I never heard of Corona, USA. Iowa, that's what's up. Damn, man, what's there doing in Iowa? California. Oh, okay, you meant Cali. Okay, that's what's up. Shout out to Cali, man. See, I know y'all got the fires going on. They got a lot be going on in Cali, man. I got the LA cares. I got actors strike. They got high rent, expensive. Do you trade, Jacob? Cedar Rapids. That's pretty cool, man. Iowa. I don't know what the hell is in Iowa though. I know Iowa State, like they good in football. That's the only thing I know. Other than that, I don't know too much about Iowa. Always time to make money and always time to make some money in Iowa. Oh, of course, bro. I feel like that's all y'all got. I got is time to make money. Ain't nothing to do but to make money. Yo, where do you live? Man, I'm in Dallas, Texas, man. Dallas, Texas. Future stock trader billionaire. You know, bro. I looked at this past week prices right here, and I ain't gonna lie, I did not do nothing, bro. But I want to talk about what I've been going through lately. I've been going through self-confidence, like where it's been a rough year for me, because I trade options too, by the way. It's been a rough year for me. Yeah, I was just there. Are you in Dallas? That's what's up. Okay. Gee. You want to do a trade meetup? JK, bro. I don't want to meet none of y'all. But hey, Dallas is pretty hot. I know it's hot. I know Cali weather is 10 times way better for sure. And y'all ain't got, well, y'all probably got the worst traffic. Dallas traffic not too bad. Cali got good food. But hey, bro, if you come into Dallas, you want good Tex Mix, go to Uno Mas. It's in downtown Dallas. Great spot. Good food. Food make you feel like you next to God. But I want to talk about an issue I've been going through. It really is not an issue. It's just like I've been dealing with self-confidence issue, you know, and in trading, we're gonna need confidence. It's like oil in an engine in a car. You know, you need it, and you need a good amount, not too much, but good enough. Yeah, Cali's beautiful, man. Cali's beautiful. Iowa, what y'all did out here though? Tell me what y'all did out here in Dallas. What y'all did out here, or what you planning on doing out here in Dallas, Texas? You're going for like a game? There's always something going on. I know basketball. You got something going on. I got the Cowboys, the Arlington Cowboys. They're not in Dallas. They're in Arlington. Let me see. Yeah, so I've been just dealing with confidence issues, right? Just confidence. And I've just been learning, you know, like hockey. Okay, oh, that's what's up. You play hockey? Dog, that's dope. That's dope. Hockey tournament. I know the Stars not there. The Stars are out of the playoffs. If they still have the playoffs going on, I don't keep up with hockey much. But I've been dealing with confidence issue where like I'm starting to question everything I do. Like I'm starting having, you know, like you just don't take the trade no more because you just are just overthinking, and you know maybe okay, you play, that's what's up. What position you play? I don't know any position. You play goalie. Jacob Clark sounds like a goalie position. But let's go back to this. But like every trade, you know, every trade I take I start overthinking it too much, you know. And it's been affecting me, like not in a bad way, but more like I kind of took a step back. So a new season started already. Started D. What does that mean? I don't even know. I didn't know a whole new hockey season started already, bro. Because the playoffs they were like this summer. Holy shit, how long hockey season lasts for? NHL games. Oh my god. I think today. Oh wow, it really did. I did not know that. Dang. Who won the ship last year? Who won the ship? Who won the ship? I don't know who won the ship. It's where we protect our goalie. Oh, you play defense. Oh, okay. Oh, you play D. You just said D. Oh, you play defense. Okay. NHL Champ 2025. The Panthers won. The Oilers won. Who won? The Panthers. Where are the Panthers from? Where are the Panthers from? Florida Panthers. It's all good, brother. Have a good one, bro. Hit me a like and share with your friends, man. You might learn something. But that's enough for distraction. Let me get back to the point. Yeah, like been dealing with okay, yeah. The Panthers got the ship. But I made the share and love. But I want to just say, like, just working on my confidence, just having that confidence issue, you know. And I noticed that I'm not taking the trades I want to take. Or I take a trade and I'll get stomped out and go directly my direction. So I just like more like fear, and you know, it can affect you, you know, having a few losses. But lately I've been reading books, and I've been journalizing a little more, and I've been kind of looking for information, and the information, and like, you know, just to get better, see what, you know, what I'm dealing with, how to get better. And I noticed is like, it's not me, the way I've traded, it's the way I've traded, and I've not given my chance. And I'm not, because overall I had a great year, but the way I've traded is just not, you know, gotta do more work. I just gotta do harder work, you know. That's my problem. I've not been putting in the work to get the results I want, right? So results as, and I've been low-key lacking on back testing as frequent as I want to. I've been low-key not doing my trading refreshing of the charts, not doing my not reviewing my trades as well as I want to, you know. Took an Amazon buy. See this, I took this buy, you know, I could have sold right here and that's $2 away. But like just being more, you know, putting harder work and smarter work. You know, you just bought working hard. I just gotta work harder overall. And you know, me reading One Good Trade, it just like to me for me to get over certain situations, I just have to work smarter. And I had a conversation with a friend yesterday, and she helped me out. She doesn't do trading, but I was telling her like, okay, you know, I put stop losses on certain contracts and $50 contract, and instead of me looking at it like, okay, I need to put a $25 stop loss, maybe I should trade a smaller contract and let that contract die. And that's going to be the only risk I'm taking. The only risk I'm taking is a trade. Is the risk I'm taking is that dollar trade, the whole contract, instead of letting it rely on rely on freaking, you know, not hitting a stop loss. Cause hey, I think that's another issue I noticed. I just had a deja vu having that conversation with my friend yesterday. To get that out the way. And other than that, bro, let's get it popping, bro. Like, let's get it popping. Get it popping. The stock market. Okay, let's get an overview. Okay. So market overviews and key movers. So mixed into week finish. Big drop on Friday. The week started out relatively calm. Hey. And eventually indexes hovered at all-time highs, supported by enthusiasm, AI, and big tech momentum, but ended the market under the pressure after renewed U.S. trade tension. Trump threatened to impose a 100% tariff imposed by November 1st, following China's export control on rare earths. But the tariffs threatened to trigger a broad sell-off on Friday. So like S&P 500 fell off by 2%, Dow dropped 800 points, and NASDAQ 3%. Underlying threat supported AI, big tech. Before the pullback, AI related stock strong gains, in particular AMD and Surge. And blah, 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 blah. Okay, can I get a summary? So what to watch? Trade tension escalation. Sudden threat of sweeping tariffs on China goods rattle markets in the U.S.-China relationship. Okay, and then earnings seasons. As companies begin reporting Q3, the market will be sensitive to guidance, pressures, and exposure to micro risk, microeconomic and inflation data. With some data delayed due to the government shutdown, surprises in inflation, underemployment, or consumer spending, consumer segment, AI valuation bubble. Gains of AI raise the risk of sharp reversals. Okay, cool. All right. Good. Let's see. Look at some fundamentals, right? It's JP Morgan. Let's look at Citi. Oh, I'm getting a call. Hold on, yeah. Weekend 5. I'm going 5% off. You know,
$50.
nah, I want 5 now percent because niggas are, bro. I did this gay dudes TV. Oh shit. All right, excuse me, but I'm back. I'm back, you know, better. So we're looking at Citibank's earnings. Well, not earnings, but we're looking at their balance sheet right now. This is their income statement. As you can see, revenues have grown 5% the trailing 12 months. The net income, look at that, net income to common is up 70% this year, which is really good. Even though they're and they also pay dividends. They pay dividends is good. It's a good sign. And then let's go to quarter by quarter. How's that income growing? It's growing. It's growth. Last quarter we grew. Hopefully we report a strong Q3. And I feel like within the madness, I feel like Citibank can go even higher. It deserves to be higher. But then let's see the balance sheet. We are at how much is that? Give me the raw numbers. 2 billion? Is that billions? Billions. How many billions is that? Total assets. A lot. See, the PE ratio is not good, right? The ratio, zero equity is not that great. So that could be another. And then look at the total debt. That's a lot of debt. You know what I'm saying? Net debting, net cash debt. So that's not a good sign right there. I don't like that. Cash flow, we have negative cash flow. I don't think this is good. to have negative cash flow. Investor, we are investing, which is good, but we don't have. Then net cash flow. Yo, what is this? Oh, not cash flow. Oh, this is the operating cash flow. It's not good, but our net cash flow is positive overall. Free cash flow is negative. Not a good sign. Not good sign, but I don't know. It's all right. Look at J&J. Let's look at J&J. Let's look at J&J's. Then you can see revenue. Let's go to the quarterly. Let's just go annually. Go annually. So net income, they've dropped a significant amount this year. And then it says 2024. In 2025, see every quarter they're earning their revenue, their net income is increasing, which is really good. Cash flow, free cash flow, slight decrease last quarter, but 18% up. Then dividends, they also have dividends share, and it looks like it's growing, which is great. And then let's see, go to the balance sheet. Our balance sheet, we got liabilities, total liabilities, and then total debt. Do they not have? Okay, this is Charles equity. So total assets, then total liability, which is a not bad. Charles equity, pretty good. Then we have cash flow debt. Total debt is 50%. So book value around $32 billion. $32 billion. Dang, so City had 2 trillion? Damn. City. Let's see how I look at the cash flow. Busting cash flow, we had negative. Net cash flow, it's not positive either. It's not good. Free cash flow is positive. Okay, that's good. I feel like they are at the beginning. So cash at the beginning represents the amount of cash and cash the company had at the start of the reporting period carried over to the previous period ending balance. Then is the ending. This is the cash at the end total. Oh, my pizza's almost ready. Let me go. Okay, I'm back. Making pizza, boy. All right, as you can see, free cash flow, not the best. Had better. We only had $2.8 billion in J&J. But overall, good stock. Earnings coming up on Tuesday. So morning Tuesday. So I'll be on the lookout for that. Either it's gonna go crazy or we're gonna go down, 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 down. Low key, I might take that leap though. I'm not gonna leap, but I'm gonna take that short-term trade, J&J. Boom, boom. So like short-term trade. Let's see, 225. Let's look at the stock price. J&J. Watch trade lists. 25. Oof. It's a mile away. A little mile away. Then you got this right here. 297. Yeah, I think that looks better. Or the 200. But we're gonna see on a small time frame. But yeah, that was a few fundamentals. About to do the Mag 7. What are the Mag 7? You know, people will be asking, what's the Mag 7? Ooh, I hear that music. That music sounds nice. I might turn down a little bit though. All right, so as you can see, boom, boom, boom. All right, I'm about to do the Mag 7. I really want to get to back testing. That's really what I want to do. I've been addicted. I'm back to being addicted to back testing. So I'm about to do analysis on this. Then I'm gonna do my trading list. Look over my trading list. See what needs to looked at properly, or what needs to kind of get out and come back in. I like the way Roblox is looking, but let's start with our trading. Actually, let me just start with the Mag 7. These are the Magnificent 7. Before I get started, man, y'all drop a like. Y'all drop a like if y'all could. For real, drop a like if y'all could. You know, hard work beats talents. Hard work beats talent, and that's even in the trading game. You know, you cannot be lazy and expect to be consistently profitable. No laziness can turn into being consistently profitable. If you want a great looking body, you gotta be consistently working out. So before I do my technical analysis, I will go get my pizza because I'm starving. Eat that pizza, boy. That pizza. That veggie pizza. That veggie pizza. Bro, I'm eating more pizza this past year than any year. That's some good old pizza, boy. Some good old pizza. Start at the top. Go down to the video. Go down to the video. Some good pizza. All right. Looking at Meta. Go to the weekly. Definitely had a pullback. Got in the pullback. So, Hard work's be time. As you see last week, there was a bearish engulfing that happened last week, right? And then we've seen a continuation next week. I'm looking at it. Prices at support. Boom, that was a resistance. Support. You see. So now, see a price breaks this support level. Moves downward. Metaverse. Meta gang Kodak. I know about that metaverse. I don't know, 4 hours. Let's see if price breaks this level. Like what Meta is at right now. Good time to, let's see if there's smaller opportunities, right? On the hourly level. Boom. So I need this support right here. More time support. Price continues downward. Let's look at Microsoft. Price first have engulfed this candle. Let's see. Let's look at it. Weekly perspective. Weekly perspective. So you see, price definitely fell. Break this 550 level. If we go on the daily, it's clear story. A clear story. And then I see a clear support and resistance. Boom. Look, it's interesting taste some pizza. Shouldn't let it in the oven for a little longer. Tastes a little funny. Hold on, I'll be back. Boom. Interesting though. Over there. See how price reacts to this level. We might be able to get in after that. We got Tezzy. Monthly. Says he had a great September. So far, we're seeing some pullbacks. Weekly, we have a bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing. Weekly, so it's a powerful signal. Powerful signal. Then on the daily. Don't see too much too clear. Maybe on a 4 hour, I can see something better. Yeah, 4 hours way more. This is underneath 4 hour support. Boom. Just the resistance. Yeah. See how far Tesla can go. Tesla's been very versatile. Boom. So yeah. Let's look at Google. Google had a great 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months. Now the signs of a pullback. Weekly, we have a bearish evening star. We're going to daily. Right here. Price failed. Hey, shut the hell up. Oh my God, I hate that thing, bro. I hate Google. Holy crap. Oh my God. I am talking to Google. Oh my gosh. Now I'm about to get reported for AI abuse. He's an AI abuser. That thing scared me too. Sheesh. As you can see, on the 4 hour, see Alphabet doing. As you can see, but I don't know. Price might come back. I don't know how much it's gonna come back by, but definitely price could continue. Yeah. I don't know how much it's gonna go by. We are in recession, not recession. We are in pullback season. Pullback. Even Apple had a great 1, 2, 3, 4 months. And let's go to earning. I'm just going weekly. Oh, look at this bearish engulfing on the weekly. Huge bearish engulfing. Daily. Daily resistance at a support level. We got this prior O's. Boom. You see it? I see it. Then we got the hourly. Boom. Look at that. 4 hour. Look at that. 4 hour. Hours be talent. The price will get to here. We're gonna see how it goes. They got Amazon. Amazon, y'all. We're looking at market. Let's go on weekly. Yeah, prices failed to break these highs. Then now price tried, but it didn't. Failed. Get back and then look at its here level. Got our daily support, daily resistance. Listen to what's going on. Still smooth, loud. Then we're going 4 hour. See plenty of opportunity here. Here too. Doing something hourly. Hourly, yeah. First target right here. Price comes back above your first target, second target, third. Let's go to NVIDIA. Something pretty quickly. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great months. We're going to see more pullbacks on the weekly. The falling hammer. On the daily. Back on this resistance. That's back at this resistance. Video. Boom. Boom. Cool. See it. Let's see it. Looks clean. Ready to go. Price coming back above this resistance, but if you want small time plays, in this level right here is a good support level right here. Slash resistance. For this little gap right here. So if price comes underneath here, it's gonna be a good point to sell. Now let's go to trading lists. And man, just missed it. Anyways, you know, being lazy don't pay off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 great months. Going weekly, bullish engulfing. Weekly, daily, we had this massive candlestick. We gotta look at our prior highs. Where can we mark up our supports and resistances? I can only mark really this up right here. Boom. So I would like to see price come back to retest the support level. Then get it popping. Discipline. And go to bed on time. That's discipline day. Discipline day. Boom. Yeah, I want to see price come back this level right here. It's okay to sell at support. At resistance only, not long-term, short-term plays though. Short-term plays. You gotta know your short-term and long-term plays. You gotta differentiate why are you short-term playing it and long-term playing it. Get the monthly. J&J's had a 1, 2, 4 great months price movement. Broke this resistance. We went up 30 points, which is awesome. And then there's no signs of slowing down. for this last day a little bit. See. So I'm thinking, okay, where can I take advantage of these plays? So see that. So what I want price to boom before earnings. Like, I want to see a pullback tomorrow, Monday. I want to see a pullback Monday, or I start thinking of any short or big plays. Yeah, that's it. And then got Palantir. Boom. Palantir. Just been on a crazy tear. Past few months, well, past year. And let's go to the 1 week. You can see. As you can see right here, boom. You have this resistance point, daily. Like where the daily's at too. Boom. Daily support, daily resistance. Let's go on the 4 hour. Okay, I see the 4 hour. See this 4 hour looking clean. Let me see if there's any smaller opportunities. So we had this support in between here. Price broke it. Let's see if we can go underneath. And then it's our first target right here. First target. Second target. If price decides to come back and do a major pullback. Then we have our friend Citibank. The bank on it's a bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. Then look at that. Last week we had a bearish engulfing. Not a good sign. Boom. We go back into our support resistance, old support resistance. Boom. I say just be patient with it. Boom. We are not investors. We are traders, right? Yeah, look at it. You are a trader, you're not an investor. There we got boom. All right, you can see it. Now, boom. Let me see. I gotta look up something. Forward. Okay, so how about the money? About the plays? P&L means absolutely nothing. P&L means absolutely nothing. You're just taking bad trades, and it's better to take good trades and lose than take bad trades and win. Put that in your head, boys. It's better to take good trades and lose than bad trades and win. So that's something you gotta understand. That we got here, right here, then right here. So that was old markups pretty much, but right now we have this level, so we gotta look in the future. Boom, prices are underneath this level. So I feel like it might play around a little bit. Let's see what Monday opens looks like, you know. We gotta look at how Monday open is looking like, you know. And then we also got earnings coming up too. That's something to be on lookout. The 14th. What day is the 14th? 14th is Tuesday. So Tuesday earnings are coming up. So that's something to look out for. Then we got Roblox. Liking the way Roblox is trading right now, kind of consolidating. Let's see on the weekly. Yeah, bearish engulfing. A little push up last week. As you can see, the stock's in an interesting space right here. Boom. Okay, I'm looking at it from like, okay, right here. Boom. This was our old resistance support level. Funny how your outlook changes quickly. Boom. On a 4 hour. Okay. Say our resistance. Boom. So we got a daily, then we got a 4 hour resistance, right? This price going to, you know, hold this level. I'm gonna need to, on a smaller time frame, we have this right here and this. Let's look at fire. I like it. Wow. All right. Now let's do a quick glance of our red list. I'm gonna just go over all Kava, bro. Oh my gosh. Kava. Damn. Kava dropped 30%. Damn. I mean 8%. And it was in a good trading. Like this was indication. Look, we had indication right here. Boom. We had indication. See that? And then price went underneath, and then this was where we sell. You never know. Just really did that. AMD. Took AMD off the board. Right now, Kava looking all right. Oh my God, Starbucks. Monday. Had a rough week. Damn. Starbucks, man. Look, indication. Price came back. Once price crossed the support, that's when we sell. Follow your rules. And it's just like that's how patient you gotta be too with it. Gotta be super patient, man. Super patient. Yeah, look at that. Wingstop. And I've been called Wingstop was trash. I don't remember last time I had Wingstop. The wing business is going through it. But the CF Next stop. Could this one hourly. Let's do 4 hour. Okay, so as you can see, boom, distance, support. It's wrong, support. Boom. We have our 4 hour support. We have a little indication. We have to just be on the lookout though. Going to 1 hour. Price is underneath, right on support. You got to be careful, you know, getting it too early. Just being patient. Just be patient. Just be patient. Walmart's consolidating between 106 and 103. Look at gold, bruh. Look at gold, bruh. Look at gold. Let me remove that. Great few months for gold. Then on a 4 hour. See, boom, boom. Then we have support, resistance, support here, resistance. Support there, resistance there. Now, if gold wants to have another legendary run, maybe. Then on futures. And look at Coinbase, look at Master. Look, this is just indication in a long time. Follow your trade. And then look at STZ. They had good earnings. Maybe they should have some better guidance. Let's see. They broke this resistance, but when I get in, that's where price is at. Ollie, see. Pinterest getting fried like dough. Roblox, already talked about Roblox, XMP. Look at that, boom. Move this. This is a sign right here. As you can see, lower high. Then we got another lower high, and then boom. Our resistance became support. Every time price underneath it just ran. Palantir, I already talked about Palantir. And Jerry, Hood. If you want to trade Hood, you might be added to our trading list. Hood. Boom. Let's look at Hood. Boom. Had a crazy September. Seen pullbacks occur on the weekend. And had a tough last week. I like where Hood is at. Boom. Boom. As you can see, price is awesome. It's pretty cool. It's pretty calm. But on a smaller time frame, my target. At this level right here. Let's look at fundamentals for Hood. Hood income flow, okay. Let's see quarterly. Income has grown a lot. Which is crazy. Then cash flow, please cash flow. Look how much free cash flow I got in 2020 in Q2. Then there. Okay, that's a great. Okay, and then let's look at the cash flow balance sheet. Balance sheet total assets 35 billion, total liabilities 23 billion. Shares located about 8%. Not too bad, not too great. Cash flow debt only $4 billion in debt. They have net cash per share is 4%, 4.72. Book value 8.88. It's not too bad. Then we got our cash flow. Let's see, operating cash flow is really good. Then our investing cash flow also really great. Almost $1 billion in investing. Really good. Really awesome. Really awesome. And they are reporting earnings when where's the next earnings? Okay. I'm gonna be on the lookout, seeing how price. Let's see if price moves underneath this level. Hood. That might be, and if it does, it's our target down here. Boom. Our target. Need support. Go back to our red list. It's on hood. FedEx broke above these levels, but we had a pullback. Then I got this slow. Chipotle. I need price underneath support still. This was our indication. Netflix, Boeing. Just go Target. Dollar General. This is right here. You just sell. GDD. A. This is where I need support. Let it go. Right here, just being patient with it. Gotta be patient. Got leaps on here. Enter, pay. Just gotta be patient, be patient. And then watch lists of Bitcoin. GQ. Okay, it's time to back test. Oh man, it's chilly in here. I gotta take a shower, so I'm gonna get my headphones on. Headphones on. Let me get my. Hello? Oh no. Okay. Sunday. Yeah. Yeah. I think I'm done here. Trading is in my blood. What did you learn? Less, trade less. Trading less is better. And Lightning Mountain Services. Woo! Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ah! Yeah, we are at 84 subscribers, man. We'll be at 80 million one day. But thank you guys for all the support and love, bro. Love dropping the streams. Learned a lot. Appreciate it. They're great. While I was back testing, I was focused. And what really helped was I didn't have music in. I was able to see the market from a different perspective. And the thing I'm gonna do is boom, that, boom, my trading week right here. I'm marking up my trading weeks. Right. Good. All right. Love y'all. I'm out of here. Peace. Gotta trade us out of here.
We throwing money